Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, so we thought we'd update you guys on what's going on here with our garden, and also let you guys know that we have moved from Montana to back to Arizona, and it's been a wild one, so that's why we haven't done a video for a little while, at least a new video. So yeah, we just thought we would show you around our garden and show you what has changed. During the move we did lose a few plants, we ended up losing our avocado. It didn't make it, didn't like the change. Even though it was better climate here, it just didn't enjoy the change of environment. And then also we lost our coast redwood as well. That we actually lost before we left Montana. It was just too dry, so we'll have a moment of silence for them. And anyways, we will get back to showing you guys our plants. As I show you guys these, hopefully you can comment on ones that you'd like to see more videos of. We have gotten quite a few different plants now that we've moved here, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and make sure to comment below what ones you want to see more of in the future. Alright guys, so first things first, we do have a bird of paradise. We actually got this up in Montana. It was in the discount section at Lowe's, and it was doing really good there. In the move, our dogs kind of trampled it a bit, so that's why it doesn't look as great, but it's starting to come back a little bit as it does enjoy this warmer climate, so it is doing a little bit better. This is one of a few agaves that we have gotten since we've moved here. It has done pretty well. We got them for free. The plan is with all of these, and I'll show you the others later. The plan is with these is to let them get a little bit bigger this season, and then at the end of the growing season or the end of the summer, we're planning on selling them and at least making a little bit of a profit with them. Here in the back we have our pineapple. Now our pineapple we grew when we first we started growing it when we first moved to Montana, not too long after we moved there. It didn't grow too much, but since moving here it has grown a lot and it's doing a lot better. So even though it's over 2 years old, it is starting to grow a lot more, and hopefully maybe we'll get a fruit out of it this year. We'll see. Here we have a little succulent that was also a discount section at Lowe's. It was also from Montana that we moved here, and it's done really well as well. We just kind of water it like once a week, maybe once every other week, and it's done very well. Here you're gonna see this little cactus. This is from our cactus video, growing from the cuttings or the pads, and during the move it actually fell over, and then we just kind of got distracted once we got here, and we just never repotted it up, and it's just grown with our pineapple. It's done very well actually, and it's kind of going crazy. Next we have our lemon. That's from our lemon video. It has done very well as well here. It's been growing a little bit crazy, and it's getting pretty big, so we're pretty excited about that. My wife really wants to have a lemon tree, so we're hoping that we can grow one for her eventually. All right, next we have our ginseng ficus bonsai. It's been doing very well as well since we've moved here. We actually have had this for 7 years now, and it's just always been an easy bonsai to take care of, an easy plant to take care of, and done very well. And this is one of the cuttings we got from it. We've gotten a few cuttings from it, but we've just kind of sold them or given them away. But this one I've decided to keep, and it's doing very well. And back here is our tamarind. I'll try to get a better picture of all of these so you guys can see them. But it's our tamarind. They do very well down here. However, for whatever reason, with lighting different changes or something, it just hasn't taken off quite yet. It's still alive, doing well, but it just doesn't look as pretty as it was in Montana. So hopefully we'll be able to keep it going and hopefully make it get better. Off over to your left here, we have 3 ficuses that we're growing that were started from cutting as well, and they're doing really well, growing very fast. We got those cuttings back in December, and they're doing well. Back in the corner there, we have dragon fruit. We actually started growing those about a year ago in Montana, and they just were very short and stubby. But since we have moved here, they have gotten very big and they're growing a lot more. So I think it's just a matter of having the right heat, and having more sunlight has been helping them a lot more. Again, I'll try to get a close-up video or picture of that for you guys. They're really cool and have been growing a ton. Alright guys, so this is our last few plants. So as you can see, we have more agave. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 over there. We have 8 total agaves that we're planning on selling eventually. But yeah, these ones are a little bit smaller in here, and then a few medium-sized ones. These also came with those agave. They also were free. We have no idea what they are, but they like water. They're growing lots of roots, so here soon we'll have those planted up. There's some sort of vine. We don't know exactly what they are, but if anyone has any idea, please let us know, because we'd like to know what they are. Here in the back right corner we have another pineapple. I failed to mention with our other pineapple, we grew it from a pineapple top, and this one as well was grown from a pineapple top. And then also we have 3 more indoors that we're growing from the pineapple top. So we like our pineapples, and we like to grow pineapple. This kind of tall stick in the middle here is actually a plumeria. We are really excited for it. We've had the plumeria for I think 3 weeks now or so. We got it down here in Arizona at what's called the Aloha Festival. We're really excited for it to grow, and we're just kind of waiting for it to wake up and start growing as it gets rooted. But yeah, so we're really excited to see that start growing. Alright guys, so there's all of our plants that we have currently in the garden, as we are sure we're going to get more, but we'll see how it goes. But again, if you guys have any questions or would like to know or have more videos on any of these plants, please put them down in the comments below and give us ideas. We would love to do more videos about these. We already have a few of them planned for here in the future, but please let us know what questions you have specifically, or what plants you really want to see more of in the future. Thanks as always for watching, guys. It's been an adventure with you guys so far, and again, we're glad to be back here in Arizona. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Have a good one.